Hello, friends. So, talking about the defense sector, what we have seen recently, the Indian defense has been questioned largely among the Indian people and oppositions in particular. We have seen how China has transgressed the line of actual control and now trying to make a new LAC, which occupies near about more than hundreds of square kilometers of India. Now, that would be something unacceptable to Indians and the Indian government. That is one. Then we have seen how Pakistan is always a non-friendly nation in the northern part, J&K part. With other neighboring states as well, Sri Lanka is also not that friendly. At best, it is neutral to India and China, but still more inclined towards China. And that is a question with the recent developments in the government formations in Sri Lanka. So overall, in this so to say hostile neighborhoods, we need to be very careful on our defense capabilities. And for that, the core idea is to start with be a world leader in the defense production, and that would only be with great private participations and transfer of technologies coming from outside and local indigenization of technologies and all through our startups, MSMEs, and institutes like DRDO. Missiles have been formed, then Tejas have been proved, and these all are to be built upon, and indigenization and more technological intellectual property needs to be created. And this capturing this essence of this entire context, recently a draft of defense production and export promotion policy 2020 has been launched by Mr. Rajnath Singh, the defense minister, and that is clearly stating that we need to double our capacity of production from currently near about $10 billion to more than $25 billion. And similar is the case with production from currently $5 billion case with export promotion from currently $5 billion of export, what we are doing in the defense sector, to more than $10 billion of export. So that idea is there that these are the objectives, and the context is also there that how Atmanirbhar Bharat and how self-production needs to be done and how our local private players needs to be brought into to make this happen in the coming decades. So with that idea, this policy is in place and now implementation remains. So definitely there'll be more discussions on the policy, more finer tunings will be there, more detailing will be there, and thereafter there'll be more focus on the implementation part. Now we see on the expenditure part, the defense budget needs to be more used in the capital expenditure than on the revenue expenditure, what is gone on the pension and salary. So that component needs to be balanced in the Indian context, which is highly skewed against the capital expenditure, and that is why we are not, in the past 7 decades, we have not been that great in terms of our production of defense technologies and products. So that is to be a proper allocation of resources is very important to succeed in the coming decades. And we need to be very focused on improving our defense sector, and thereupon we can think upon managing our so-called hostile neighbors. Thank you.